tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology. I'm super excited to share with you my hands-on experience with the MZK A3 DTF printer, equipped with the incredible i3200 Printhead. This machine is a game changer for anyone in the custom apparel business, print-on-demand services, or simply looking to take their DIY printing to the next level. From its blazing fast printing speeds to its innovative smart cleaning system, this printer is packed with features that will make your printing experience not just easier, but also more enjoyable and cost-effective. Let's dive right into one of the most impressive aspects of this printer, the industrial i3200 Printhead. This isn't just any printhead. It's designed to deliver speeds that are 5 times faster than what you'd get from standard models. Imagine being able to print an A3 design in just 2 minutes or an A4 design in a mere 1 minute. This level of speed is perfect for high-demand businesses, ensuring you can meet your orders quickly and efficiently without compromising on quality. The implications are huge, especially for custom apparel shops and t-shirt studios looking to ramp up production without sacrificing the detail and precision their customers demand. Another feature that really stands out is the G7 certification combined with a stunning 1440 dpi resolution. This means that the printer achieves an incredible level of detail, with variable droplet technology that dynamically adjusts the ink drop size for ultra-smooth gradients and finer details. The result is an overall image precision that's improved by 25% compared to standard printers. What this means for you is that what you see on your screen is exactly what you'll get on your print, with vibrant colors and sharp details that will make your designs pop. And the best part? This printer works on almost any fabric you can think of, from cotton and polyester to denim, canvas, nylon, and more, giving you the flexibility to experiment with different materials and designs. The MZK A3 DTF printer also boasts a smart timed cleaning system and holiday mode, which essentially means you can leave your printer untouched for periods of time without worrying about clogging or dried ink. The continuous white ink stirring, circulation, and purification system prevents ink sedimentation and nozzle issues, ensuring your printer is always ready to go when you need it. And with the dual ink level alarm system, you'll get timely warnings when your ink levels are running low, allowing you to refill them and maintain consistent print quality. This system also includes a waste ink alarm to prevent messy spills, keeping your workspace clean and tidy. But what really caught my attention, and I think will catch yours, is the incredible value proposition that comes with this printer. For starters, you get 2 years of free ink and powder, with 5 bottles of 250 milliliters ink and 500 G of powder shipped to you every 2 months, with just shipping costs to cover. This alone saves you over $1,000 on supplies, which is a significant savings for any business or serious hobbyist. It's clear that the company is committed to supporting its customers not just with a high-quality product, but also with ongoing savings that will help you keep your costs down and your profits up. In conclusion, the MZK A3 DTF printer with the i3200 Printhead is an absolute powerhouse of a machine that combines speed, quality, and innovation in a way that's hard to find in the market. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this printer has the potential to take your printing to the next level. With its impressive features, cost savings, and the company's commitment to customer support, I highly recommend checking this out. Find the link in the description below to learn more and to get your hands on this incredible printer. Don't miss out on this opportunity to revolutionize your printing experience. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.